What up, peoples? So, I'm sure most of you know that your friend Dick here has a food channel. But if you don't, it's Kitchen Dysfunction. Yup, real original. And I have to give a shout out to Walker's potato chips. These are roasted chicken flavored. Seriously, I cannot stop eating these. These are fantastic. So good. So yeah, it's shingle time. And I've got something, I don't know what it is. This is, Peter Wolf. From the LP Lights Out. 1984. We got Poor Girl's Heart. And Lights Out. Makes sense. Yeah, 1984. EMI Records. So, let's go with the B-side. Actually, I don't know which is the B-side. It doesn't actually say. Huh. Fucking weird. Well, let's go with Poor Girl's Heart. Let's cue this sound machine up. And let's see how god-awful Peter Wolf is. The name sounds familiar. I just don't know why. Well, let's see. I actually have to turn this down. This is like some weird new wave reggae weirdness. Yeah, no. I'm generally not a fan of that, and I do like me some reggae. I'm just not a fan of that. Let's go to the title track, Lights Out. Come on, Peter Wolf. I want to dance a little. Let's see what's going on here. It's a little more danceable, but nah, it's just generic as balls. No, bad music. There are times I should actually research these people a little bit before I or bands or whatever before I do these videos, but it kind of takes the fun out of it. I mean, I don't know who Peter Wolf is, and to be quite frank, I don't ever want to know who Peter Wolf is. I mean, unless this was the worst works he ever made, which I can't imagine because I've never heard of him. So yeah, bad on you, Peter Wolf. Good on you, people, if you actually want Peter Wolf 7-inch. If you do, you know the drill. Let me know. I'll mail it to you for a nominal shipping fee. So yeah, peace out, shit saints.